Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your code on YouTube Premium. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youtube.com and press enter. Now once you're inside the YouTube homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner. Just click on your sign in button and then use your credentials, and once you are logged in order to redeem your code for YouTube Premium, from the left tab, scroll a little bit down until you find YouTube Premium. Click on this and you will be taken into the YouTube Premium page. Now, if you scroll down from this page, you might find the redemption option, but if you don't find this here, then you will need to manually enter the URL. Just type in youtube.com/redeem in the address bar and press enter. You will now be directly taken into the redemption code. Just type in your redeem code within the code box and then click on the next button, and now your YouTube Premium redemption code will immediately be applied and you can now start using YouTube Premium. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your code on YouTube Premium. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.